In this video, I will show you how to uninstall Microsoft Office Hindi version. So if you are looking some versions in your system and you want to free up some space, so you need to uninstall any unused version of Microsoft Office. So press Windows key plus R. Now type this command appwiz.cpl, then click on OK. Now here you will see some Office version. You will see some Office type like Hindi, English, and another language. So if you want to remove and uninstall any type of Office like Hindi, so select it, then just click on uninstall. So just select here uninstall, then click on OK. Now wait till this process will be complete. So it will take some time. So once this done, exit and restart your system. So this way guys, you can uninstall a program from your Windows system. Thanks for watching.